This is Farshid with another video just for you. In this video, I'll show you how I created an offset in order to install an accent strip that's flush with the rest of the tiles. In most cases, the accent strip tiles are thinner than the tiles that go on the wall. So in this case, we're dealing with a bathtub wall. Once the thickness variance is verified, you can make a jig like this. I use 2x4 and paint stir sticks. Double check the thickness. Make sure that the additional piece, in this case the paint stir stick that's mounted on top of the 2x4, it's the same thickness. Once that's confirmed, I use some thin set to fill the space where the accent strip goes, and then use the jig that I made in order to remove the extra thin set. So what's going to be left behind is the thin set that creates the offset. Then you can easily install the accent strip on top of the remaining thin set. The end product ends up being a nice flush accent strip, and this is what it looks like at the end. If you liked the video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification.